did it mean that he was dead? Where had he gone? It was like a hole in reality had opened up and swallowed him. But then the really shocking question occurred to me. If he could die, could it happen to me? Could that hole in reality open up and swallow me? Would it open up into my bed and swallow me as I slept?
Search.
If this was all cinema, this a fine bag of your targets and working. Make you just the actor, but since you the opposite, you are now obligated.